Hello everyone, this is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching Excel tutorials. First of all, I would request you all to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Now we are going to move and start our tutorial. As we have generated this random variables in our previous video, so I would say if you have any doubt you can click on the link below and watch the video. Now let's start our tutorial. For conditional formatting for any data, you can select all of the data, click on conditional formatting, click highlight. Let's suppose we want to highlight a number which is greater than 35 and we want to highlight it, let's say green, so we can click on the green button over here and press OK. So this number is highlighted. Let's say we want to highlight the numbers which are less than 27. So we can click on here and select right 27 and highlight it with red text. So this is highlighted. Let's suppose we want to look for the numbers which are equal to, although there are no equal numbers, but still we can check if there are numbers, so it will be highlighted. Let's suppose we are looking for the number which is 40. Oh yeah, there is 40, so it is highlighted and we can fill it with yellow and it is highlighted. So this is how you can use the conditional formatting. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch further videos, kindly subscribe MSK Entertainment Films. Have a good day. Bye bye.